Good morning, everybody. It has been ages since we've been out, weeks since I've posted a video, just other things on the go. But today's a beautiful late September day, so I figured why not get out there and see what Simcoe has to offer. Haven't been out there in 2 months or so because I live here, so I avoid Simcoe in the heavy season. But we are in the water. I just need to get a bit ready here. And as you can see, it's glass out there. Make our way out to Simcoe. Maybe catch some pike, some bass. Who knows what we're gonna get up to, but let me get all set up here and get out to the lake, check back in, and hopefully catch some fish or explore or see what the day has to bring. Not much planned, but we'll try to make it a good one, so we'll see you in a bit. We stop around here. It's actually blowing us this way across, so maybe with the thunder belly I could trigger something over here. Let's see. Alright guys, well, fight's a bit slow this morning. We made it over by Krates Marina here. Got 10 feet and lots of weeds. I'm not pulling anything out of it, unfortunately. So what we're gonna do is, I've only made it up to Boston Pizza, and I know there's a bit of a river here. Don't know how far it goes, how shallow it is, if we could even get anywhere, but why not go explore Krates, go through there, see where it takes us, maybe see something cool. I know there's usually some nice boats over here. You never know. Let's keep trucking along in there and see what we find. Far we make it. I think on the left here is Keswick Marina, I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. And then to the right, just behind these big boats, is a gas station, and I have a little dock there I stop at, and you can go top up on supplies if needed. Kind of convenient being able to do that from the water without having to drive or travel anywhere. $151. I wonder if the hose from the actual pumps reaches. Look, 151 and then 130 over there, like 10 feet away. Wow. Yep, Keswick Marina, I was right. Looks like we might have another marina on the right here. We were slowly progressing inwards quite a bit here. Can't really see. Now it's so zoomed out, it's irrelevant. But we're under halfway from where it says it goes. But it does get pretty skinny up there. We'll see. Damn, my steering wheel's loud now. Smile, you're on camera. So are you. Made it around another corner, and I just found an oar in the water. Now there's nobody anywhere in sight to ask them if it's theirs. Maybe on the way back, or maybe it was a sign to press a little further when it looked sketchy, because I could oar myself out. I don't know. These are some cool trees. I think they're willow trees. I don't know. Not a tree guy. These are pretty cool. Got one in the yard too. I guess that's the difference between when we take our trips up north and we go into these rivers so far into the remote you don't see anybody. But down here, you're 30 minutes out of Toronto, 30 minutes out of Barrie, in Keswick. So oh look, we got a bridge up ahead. And it might be high enough to leave the rods up. Yeah, buddy. Hopefully it's deep enough too. Alright, keep trucking along here. Now, we have a bit of a dilemma. This shows that it splits into two, but both of them end around the same distance ahead. Which one to try? Which one to try? Right or left? Right or left? Let's go left first, maybe, and then we'll see what's right. I gotta zoom this in. Get any heads up on shallows? Left seems to have a bigger shallow area. We'll start off there. That's the stuff I have to watch out for. It's a trip ruiner, and I'm already wet, so that's okay, but if I don't have to get wetter and get in, that's even better. Ooh. Uh-oh. That's the bottom. Ooh, that was close. This part of the river kind of feels like you're further up north. Still not going to run into bears or anything here, but it's a little better. Uh-oh, I see a tree across the water. Hopefully it's not all the way. If I'm off to the side by like 2 feet either way, look at that, I'm on the bottom. What I'm hoping is going wide here, I have enough depth to pass. Tree is blocking all the deeper stuff. Oh, I don't know how we just did that, but we did it. Oh, big log. And it's blocked again over there. I don't think I'm trying this on my own. A, because I have to break 50 things. Number 2, look what I'm sucking up already, all the mud and everything. Oh well. Now, according to the map, we are 100 yards from the ending, so we didn't do too bad. Let's go check out that other leg quickly. Pretty cool little river, especially if you're on a kayak or a canoe. You get back in here, it kind of feels like you're further up north. It's like your fake getaway. Trick your brain into thinking you've escaped the city. Look at that, that's like inches. We just gotta squeeze, 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 and we squeeze through. Yay! Alright, let's check back in when we're making the left into that other bay. Oh, that was close. Luckily you can't go fast in here because I have no throttle. I am jammed up again, but I'm not going to clean it in here. I'm going to clean it when we get back out to that cleaner water out there. Just trying to see if I could turn into here without going into too much garbage. Like, it's so bad. Alright, should have this left turn, which has some marked shallow red zones. And then after this left turn is a bit of a right, and that'll be the ending. I'm not getting through there. Well, we're not getting through that area, which is okay because I'm going to fight to get through that, break wood, everything to get through, and it ends right after that corner. So what I'm going to do right now is turn around, make my way back out to Cook's, continue from there. See you in a sec. Well, I did it again. Luckily I found that ore. I don't even have to ore, I just have to push off the ground. But my Sea-Doo's so jammed up, I can't even start it or I'm gonna get a high temp alarm. Which means I'm probably gonna have to get in the water here. Fun, fun, fun. At least I found the ore. Okay. We got nothing. Crap. You know what that means? Oh, someone's going swimming. Leaving a shirt and long johns on just so I don't have all this stuff on my skin. This is what happens when you play in these areas, but we know the risks when we do it. So life jacket on so it holds me up while I'm digging in there. Here we go. This one's for you, Mark. Holy shit. Oh man, I took so much out of there and I haven't taken anything out yet. Needed a 2-second breather. My legs and everything are so cold. I took out like 100 of those with mud, everything, look. So much. Okay. We're gonna see if this has worked at all. Nope, we're still jammed up. So you know what that means. Back in one more time. Oh boy, it stinks too. It's warmer than the first time, that's for damn sure. Yes, that was a big chunk. 3 big chunks. Oh, me, oh, me, oh, my. I'm an idiot. All right, guys, well, it seemed to be okay right now. So that's why I took the sweaters and everything off so I could switch into them. So for now I'm going to turn off the camera because you don't need to watch this. I'm going to get out of the wet stuff, put the dry stuff on, and see how cold I am, and then hopefully carry on with the adventure. Ooh-wee! Alright, it's more tiring getting dressed, even though I'm completely soaked underneath. Let's get out of here and go continue this adventure. All right, guys, we made it across to the west shore here. It's pretty choppy. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I'm really wet and cold. My feet are purple. I had 3 plans I wanted to do today. I wanted to hit Pefferlaw, go up that river and explore it. I wanted to hit Barrie because I haven't been there yet this year on the Sea-Doo. I only made it to Friday Harbor earlier in the season. And then I wanted to go try to do some trout fishing. So this wind is way too strong. I'm only kind of sheltered here on the west shore, but Forrest was out in Big Bay Point over there, and he says it's horrible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap up this video, go home, warm up, take a well-deserved shower, but I'm going to leave this on the ramp, and then during the week I'll be watching the weather. When I get some somewhat better wind day, doesn't matter about rain and stuff, it's the wind, I will come back out here and finish off those couple adventures I wanted to hit. So for now, thanks for watching. We explored that river. Hopefully I can find a name for the title of the video, but go from there. See you on the next one. Peace, peace, peace.